Feel you in the evening breeze. Your touch is all I'm thinking of. The distance makes me weak, but my heart keeps holding on.
Massive, I have to say it without any hesitation. This mall right here so is the most beautiful mall to me in Jamaica at the moment. And we are going to give you a nice walk of this mall today in another video. We're there with my brother, when there? Grace Walk, J.A. CM Speed, and me and him are going to actually walk and look on the mall here right now, because I don't see no video of the mall here yet, you know. So I say, no, I passed it a while ago with him. He said, all the pretty lightning there, oh, it must make a video nice and beautiful. We are going to walk the mall floor by floor and see what it entails. So rain has come down, so we make a way and go over there real quick. Very beautiful mall, massive. Massive, me not wait, green light, now make them go on. We not go cross. Because we always say we don't like people cross from green light, so make we wait till the light change. Alright, see that down there, red light. I not tell you, man. Problem to cross. Yeah. When I reach in a nucleus, I know what trouble.
Since you road wide, me harder to cross, man.
Alright, so what time this now? So massive. To me, this is the most beautiful mall right now in Jamaica. Hands down. And we are going to take a look at walk. So rain kind of forward down, so we are make sure we go up on the property quick and fast. Because somehow I did not walk with the umbrella thingy that I have. You see me? So let's go. See y'all hold up in foot there again. Hold it up for the till we reach on there. So you understand? So welcome to our Jamaica Walk By Massive, you know what I mean? I may say, I'm going to tell you the name. So it's called the Hungway Shopping Mall in Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. You understand? This mall is beautiful. Since the rain kind of easy, let me stop here so we can get a look at wide angle shot. Oh my word, what a beautiful shopping mall. And this is called foreign. Yeah. So you see all them places now, them are sort out them places so we can get good walking. Probably like a walking track for exercise or something to make it very recreational friendly. Is that true?
Yeah, man.
So the Hungway Shopping Mall over here in Portmore. This is the spot that the Soul Sun they keep in the parking lot right there. So see the rain come back down there again. Because I did the God for hold up in hand and him did hold up in hand and then we go tap like him and say, but you're not serious. And then start dropping back down again. So Father God, we could go over there and think we are move a bit fast. But big up to everybody who just joined on Jamaica Walk By. Let's take a look on this shopping mall over here in Portmore and make a little walk through. There's so much fine dining restaurants there, Grace. Yeah. You understand when I see it? When we just driving a while ago, first thing when we say to you, we say, what me say?
Beautiful settings, man.
Yeah, man, this look like foreign.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
When I exaggerate, man.
Yeah, man. Beautiful. So here you have IBEX, which is the call center and thing. Then call it what? Twin building? Triple?
Because this one not open yet.
That one not open yet?
Yeah.
Alright then, mad. So, see there? Oh my word, beautiful building, man. Look at it. So right here, so now you know how far now you have the look outside bar and thing. Oh my word, I love the look of this. It's a manners teacher. Yeah. So what's the name of this one? So it seems like this is a bar and grill type of thing. Yeah, the slushies menu, liquor menu and thing. Also that look like it was a wine store. You understand? DJ now play right now, see DJ kinda easy because the rain and thing, but yeah. Let's go on the other side.
Your favorite thing, yeah?
Oh man, juicy patties. So you have a juicy patties here right now. It is currently closed. Because I know me as a man, I was a cuss about juicy patties. I think juicy patties are closed too early. And see it there, lock already. You understand? And what time is it now, Grace Walk? Let's find out.
8:38.
8:38 and the juicy patties over here lock already. Good God, man. And today is a Friday. So let's see if we can get a nice wide angle shot of this beautiful shopping mall. Mighty to the tomb. I love the decor of it. Look on the parking lot. Look at the lights. The type of lights that is here in the parking lot. Oh my word. There's a Chinese then build this one? So then says a Chinese owned plaza. Let me get this nice wide angle shot so you can see this massive building. So you have 1, 2, 3 floor on the plaza. How cool is that? Look there. So let's see if we can actually walk like a few of the levels them and see some of the shops them on there and things, so we can walk right around on the lower floor, then come back around, go up the stairs and do the same thing. You feel like you're ready for it?
Anytime. Because even if the elevator is there, if you can't manage the staircase, if you're a senior citizen,
Yeah.
you have the elevator shaft on the right and one on the left.
So you have an elevator over here and you have one over there.
Yeah.
Man. So this is a plaza where you visit a lot then, man?
Yes, man. I'm a little chill spot.
Are you look at chill spot?
Yeah, man.
Figure that. Which part you normally go like to go chill when it comes down to this one? The rooftop?
Yeah.
We're definitely going to see what the roof look like in this video too as well. But massive, we're just going to walk, show you exactly what it looks like. Not really a narrating video, but we're just going to walk and just look funny because it's my first time over here. So make we see what it looks like. See? So let's start right at the juicy patties. So if you now watch right now, please, I'm asking you to like the video. Please and thank you so much. Like the video right about now. And let's do it just like this. Mad thing. So forward from the entrance, you have like on this side you have the juicy patties first. So make we walk out of the rain a little bit. Let's go.
Yeah. So it looks sweet.
Yeah. So right down there, so now we have financial services. Look like probably never open now. What is Source? What kind of place is this? It's called Source Food. So working the Walt. Oh, they say like drill and everything. Okay, sure. You have like A1 equipment. Man, you can see Polybar music I play, so what when it come up, then we take it out. But me now, you understand? What is this? How much space is that? Super, what is that? I said everything. I'm going to make a little look and see what I want. Look around too. Oh, my. Bossy. So, everything for real, Grace. From a pin to an anchor. Oh my word. Nice. Grace from a pin to an anchor, phone, everything. See a drone. See all the potency. Oh, them not have it. I think I hit that a while ago. Mad. See all the solar camera them there too. Man, they're big.
Chinese and don't play.
They're big, bro. Oh, yeah. Everything, my brother. So we're just doing a simple walk through. You know what I'm saying? Bossy. I guess it's something I like.
Your shirt, you know?
Yeah, man. Oh, like when me have on. Them bad. Grace, how which side you bring for World Cup? Brazilian.
Never change. Win, lose, or draw.
Yeah, man. Argentina straight. Anyway, Messi go, you know what thing go. Messi born this or stuff and ever since.
And Neymar and Messi break the rivalry, the hatred between Argentina.
And one time you ever bring Jamaica and when we got a World Cup, and imagine that we own a country we can't even get to bring them in a World Cup. Can you believe that? Manners, bro. G. Can't even bring we own aside. So everything there in a massive, I'm telling you. You say I've come visit. Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, so let's go. Nah, do too long. Just, I'm saying we just a pass through. Yeah, see our basket here now? Everything there sell, brother. Go. So pretty much the whole of that section is down here, so. The whole of that section is one store. So the whole of this section is one store. One store take up the whole of down here, so. Massive store. All if of them own the plaza with the work, but imagine none of them own the plaza and have to find a rent there for so much shop.
It's like more than one shop in Port business.
And me I say, man,
Yeah, more than one shop.
whoa. That must be they're foreign in a Portmore. Them call over here. What them call over here, Grace?
Uptown Portmore.
The Uptown Portmore.
Yeah, man.
Ja.
All the ambience, the wind, everything is
Cool and nice, that's true. So what can we find on this side now? So coming into the plaza are one way, so you have to enter. When you come in, you take the left and come around until you can find where you want to park and thing. So pretty much over here, so it's the same store where they run this up. Because all of them part here is the same thing. You see me? As you can see. Yep. So this is the, where I classify this as the first floor.
yeah.
Right. So when we go around to the other side now, we go upstairs on the second, no, ground floor, first floor, yeah. Ground floor, first floor. Jeez, me always forget that in a guess. Yeah. That was a pretty, man. So let's see. This probably, no, a different store. Yeah. But this not open, our storage. Oh.
People own them, but they're not stored inside to them.
Okay. Alright. Oh, this TDK pharmacy this looks like our store by itself. Yeah. So let's go, let's move along. So let's go. Oh, there's that one. And it's at the liquor store. To the liquor store, yeah. Yeah. The liquor. How was that? The liquor chamber. The liquor chamber. I pay liquor in there, bro. Man. Alright then, man. So the liquor chamber run off a spot here. So massive, we are going on the second floor now. For the plaza. Oh, this is stairs?
Yeah.
Alright, we're all the step. Let's do this. Alright, let's go. Yeah, legit feel like foreign. I get that foreign.
Everywhere.
Eh?
Everywhere because of camera.
There's a camera. Makes sense. Alright. Good night, good night. Alright. What is why me like a smell, you know? It's a dining restaurant. Sushi and thing. And black coffee, so the corona so you enter from. You can see.
More the store and more the clothes are open a little.
Portmore over there. So you have the Fontana pharmacy over there, so. Mad thing. Right, let's go. My name? And it open. It's a Chinese boy. Look at them do take out too. The people there wait.
Somebody is busy, you must see them my daytime.
You say no see them open. And this hour. Flat the door. The restaurant this too. Alright, good night, good night. Come here, man. Flat the door. Yeah, literally, what you have a one restaurant, lock off the whole of them store here, bro. This hour. What is? Icha. Icha. Yeah, let's go. And this our oh, it's a vegan. Some vegan ice cream shop. Vegan ice cream shop. How cool is that? I never see an actual vegan ice cream shop by itself. And it's actually open now. Alright then. My seat in here. May I say? Nicer room if you want to have some ice cream. Sit down.
Some of these places you don't see them up my
You don't see them up at the time? Oh my word. Open. This is what now? Girls, your lashes last longer than him. Shots fired! What? Scan me. Vital Beauty Lounge. Wanna scan it? Man. In the pretty boy. Vital Beauty Lounge. The pretty. Beautiful. Got some pink and thing, nice. And you have what? Kids and more there right as well. Yeah. Kids and more. So for all of your kids them, yeah. Look like, you know that one I look like for the kids them where the fashion of your hope, you know, the good things them. The good things them, right, that's all. Kids and more. Man.
You're like a princess.
I tell you, man. Yeah, man, look like one of them spot the way. Come and for equality, man. Try your money up. And this is unexpected. What? Department plus store limited. I'm not sure why is this store, boy. Oh, it's a store too. See the clothes and thing. Yeah. Elegant too. And this open. Oh, jewelry. Jewelry, different type of jewelry. Chain necklace and thing. Alright. Yeah. Look, guys, she's tired. Also, you have a shop number 33, top tier. Man.
Is this one TikTok?
Oh, here's a top tier. Yeah, name look familiar to me too. See there? On TikTok, top tier. I'm all up on the place, man. Holy papa, you know, people then can't complain, my brother.
Parking GPS.
We can go right around?
Right, go right back to the other staircase or elevator.
Alright then, man.
I think above this, there's a gym.
One gym. Yeah, I see some ladies in a gym wear for real. Alright. And then you have,
Silverstone Community.
what's your name? Silverstone Community?
Yeah.
So we have Silverstone Community on this side of the plaza. See how the rain and drizzle, it's a rain and fall massive with them. I call center that, right?
Yeah.
One is not open it.
Yeah.
But I like that everywhere I go I can see garbage bin them, even though that one are kinda open. One close. Stay shut, don't move.
Plaza clean.
Yeah man, the cleanest. This is Portmore Eye Center. Okay. The body of them, because sometimes I have to wonder what I'm going with my one because I can want to go. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus.
Where you have a friend that is in the fields.
Oh yeah?
One phone call. With mutual friend, if you know me.
About Jesus. Lord of mercy.
And that should be a little.
Yes. And we have urban sportswear right here, so. Yeah, I think urban sportswear deal with the clothes, the sports fit. Yeah. Mad. Watch the type of lock, man. Lock out.
You have the Nike trainers and the track shoes.
Mad. Another seating area. And thing. You see? Oh, staircase. Oh, you see, I have staircase in the middle too. Oh. So, how am I doing? Yeah, look contribution to us. Yeah, me a tape. I remember say, are you coming at tape, you know? What happened to you now? Because I see nothing to sell, or I see some money. We have to hide now. Yeah. But you see much time we tell us we are record.
The amount of time we tell us we are record.
The amount of time we tell us we are record.
So what you want the contribution for? What is this for?
Alright, in get now, so you don't have to hide again. Big up yourself. Go on. He said if making grandmother buy back some more. All the mother now take out them one then and left back some silver in it. Like nothing now, go on. Of course. Watch him. See, me not tell you that him I go do. See him so him do. But you see me just give him that and he gone. Yeah, kitchen our walk. Let's go. Place them block off. But they could have do a better job. I don't like how them block off them something. They could have do a better job where you don't have to see this. Eh?
That's a power the whole plaza.
Oh yeah, the office.
Power the whole plaza, current.
Oh, in the song. Oh. My thing though, I don't like them style where our partition stay. It should have more, I tint the glass so that's not sure. That's when I'm out there so we have to see what going in there. Alright, so massive, this is where we started, so we'll go up on the next flight, on the next story. Hope now walk in and I enjoy the videos and I see this plaza. The plaza is very beautiful, but to me, coming onto it, I'm seeing a lot of flaws that they could have sort out to make it be more longer lasting, and you know what I mean? But the plaza is beautiful. I think the design aspect of how some big store want to take up a couple shops, that kind of pose a challenge to make some place look out of place. You see me?
This one's empty. It's have a big space.
Yeah, this is a big space too.
Maybe somebody in the video will want to come and rent.
And I tell her, someone say sit there with them on a height.
Bandana.
Yeah, man. We're there. All right, let's go. So we are tour the plaza to see exactly what it look like up close and personal. A lot of person probably walk past and see it and don't realize it. I so really see it, because enough time I walk past and I look on it, I'm like, wow,
Yeah.
so beautiful. But now I realize a few of the shops them lock and based on how them set up. Because all of them shops are still not. This is one now.
Some kind of restaurant.
I say,
Look like a chill spot, a restaurant.
one restaurant. But what kind of food them doing there?
Tacos and them.
Oh, look, oh yeah. Look like taco and them type of sitting there. You like them something?
Never try one before.
You never try one? Yeah, I'm going to try one tonight.
It's up to you.
Why?
Plus they have the M store.
This is our Hungway dental office, Rockstone. I wonder if them see one around the dental office. Try it then. Because they name it off our plaza.
So you find a lot of young people sit down.
Oh,
Yeah, because you have the legal one up here.
oh, you have a legal smokehouse up here?
Yeah.
Oh, so enough of them we just come across, come bun.
Especially car
A smoke.
for them.
Oh. So yeah, so when I legal smoke shop, me have a bridge who own a few of them too, you know. Smoke shop. So it's becoming a thing in Jamaica now. Hold on, the light just went. I say Jim. See light gone for good then now. Like light gone in the whole Portmore right now.
Look at that.
The plaza have generator.
Yeah, back up generator.
Are you seeing this massive Portmore current gone? Yo, the foreigner them don't know about that's something I know. So Scotia backup generator kick in.
Yeah.
Fontana pharmacy one that not kick in. Price Mart one come on. Couple of them down there so one come on. That see plaza one. A current come no, this is a backup generator for this come on. See backup generator for this come on. But the rest of Portmore in the darkness.
Yeah.
See there? Yep.
The sudden rain now will fall.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Anytime rain fall in Jamaica, so one man a shake you wire them.
Yeah.
How I name my gym? I need to catch it. Let me see where. What? That? Shadanai? I think I eat this. Shadanai. Yeah. Because I train of them, huh? Mad. I still eat this too?
Yeah, come on look there.
Oh, that means it's massive then, man. Too bad for going to the gym you have to have. What they call it? What they call it? Gym subscription. So you have a subscription to the gym. So it's what I talk about. So if one company want the whole thing to come back, all of them places have to block off.
Generator.
Yeah. See the whole of Portmore in the darkness. But you have surrounding areas, some part of surrounding areas will look like Red Hills and them places look like they have light. But I see the other people them down here, no light. Portmore in the darkness here now. Jaja. Or all of this side.
Majority, it's not darkness because it's a community here and no light. Only the light we are seeing, but the light they
At Kingston, me I see light right now.
Them
So Portmore down.
the light they like something
Look at
like
solar light and them look at things where people up on their house. Jaja. Alright, massive, so let's see what else is here. So pretty much the gym control the whole of them aside, the same way. Yes, it's some part of the gym there where people in there still. But then do a lock. So now if you subscribe me to the gym for use it, for going there, you understand? Yeah. What look like inside that gym darkness? Look like inside that gym of darkness. You know, subscribe me to one gym.
my future.
My future.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh, we smoke shop, we pass it.
One on the other side.
So we did pass it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why I see them.
Oh, yeah. No, me I figure what go on. You see, then we have to take a one there down there. So. Eh? Oh, that one. Oh, more they lucky from the side there. Herbals.
Hear that now?
Backup generator. I want a massive one in there. Oh yeah, right, that's all. MKL Global Consulting. What in them doing there? So Visa. Not sure what is this. But wait, some of the shop them now get current, then I realize. It seems like some of the shop them, because I see some of them have to open up them door.
Of course, the light will come on. All over Caribbean Estate.
Yeah, Caribbean next day, blank, darkness. Portmore that used to rain. Said, the Portmore that used to rain, brother.
After how long we don't get the Caribbean?
After how long, G said they don't get the rain. See down to Caribbean Estate, blank, darkness. You know what most foreign people don't used to like going away like this? No? Them don't used to that. When they tell them about current gone and all them things, they like the light cut off or something. If don't correct me if I'm wrong, I think it probably all illegal to lock off a light in a certain weather. Oh, we reach back where we start, right?
Yeah, so this is
This is why next floor or up on the roof?
next floor.
One next floor. I make you see. Yeah, massive. It's a massive plaza. Plaza big. Good night, good night. Manners. And then you got the roof. Yeah, so this is the roof. Oh, because all the Chinese vent them have to come up here, so. The Chinese restaurant. So high. Now like vent from the Chinese food that make you want, you know. Sparkling. Smell good. Nah, go lie. And that KFC do to we, you know. KFC point for them out the road.
Breeze blowing.
Yeah, man.
That's your face, that's it.
Alright, so see plaza here. Not bad at all.
So up here, so all the young people come chill out.
Come chill out.
Come chill out.
Alright, here we are going to make you go right round on that. Can we go right and then go up this one?
We have to go all the way around. Go back.
Yeah, man. So, they're on top of the roof. Alright, let's go. What I realize now, you see a difference. Some of you see them now, they're all on the front, so now.
Money
Now, well, would I say what's going in?
different. Different. Totally different. Normally
Can't even
it's
tell her what up so look like a one spot control the whole of this party. Say curtain off. So I which place is up here so?
part-time. Part-time.
I wonder if it's a restaurant because whole of so cover probably our next restaurant. Whole of this corner off, you know, like
Can't go inside.
so this now got so then put them type of restaurant here upon the plaza. Now go make the plaza have a damp man. The block off.
In the empty, you know?
In the empty?
It's like a space where you can rent for keep like rent reception and something.
I want a place like this. Brother, all of them do ya for just be one shop bad man. So everybody can get a shop for rent. I feel like that them big restaurant one they're supposed to be. Them big restaurant one they're supposed to have something else bad, bro. I mean, manners teacher. See. I don't like how them are on the plaza, dog. Them big places does if you go up and so open up place, make the plaza look dead. That's what I don't like. You know what I say?
You go, you more you find that's all you can.
I wouldn't could have possibly do this and go weird on about this again. And them are 3 man. But who knows?
You see this place here? It's like
Brother, nobody even mention it. Trust and believe.
sandbox.
Yeah man, no mention it man. Grace, me no like the setup of the plaza. All of the stores should have been so whole heap of different store, bro. To make up your bright and light up and if you have beautiful shopping center like this, no. Them are not for just blank so bro. Them bigger shop you have to get some other space flat pan down the ground. Don't it? My opinion still. Cause see that if you have big all like this and then the whole like just blank
So
and just
reserve them space for defense.
I don't know.
Up on the roof. You want to keep a ball and something.
Yeah, but now open up one day bro if you have the on some different. I'm not looking to see some big space like that up on a mall. Yeah. A mall if you have like mini shop and all them things there bro. You see me? Instead of make up yourself look so dead and blank and vague. You should have shot them so it well light up and thing, you see me? So we in a dark massive we are go up on the extreme top of the plaza. I love that they make all of the plaza accessible for people can walk and look. So we're really high. So we're on the top of the plaza. So this now you can see is a big event place this. Keep one big party up here so or something. This is huge. What me say, Grace?
Huge.
Yeah, this is
You see as
big.
far as Kingston Wharf.
yeah man. We can see if we can go at the edge. See a chair and thing up here so you can come sit down.
Them chair recently put up here. They never is up here.
Eh? And all are easy. Look there. We're so high, but the place so dark you know. Can't even see nothing. Can't even see nothing. Current gone. Yeah, Grace. Big. See some chairs up here too, so you can have a hangout spot. Right now, all this could be all a skate land, but they make it top out a board. So that not gonna work.
No, not all.
But this is big. Me don't even know if I probably I get the seat, but a big open space to keep any kind of event. I mean, I think which event I'll keep up myself, I got trouble people. None at all. Cause this a nice a fly over everybody head. Watch out, we all up here, we not even hear the nice them downstairs.
You can barely hear the generator.
Can barely hear the it was so loud, bro. But yeah, massive. So Portmore, well, Portmore no under darkness, so I'm go up like no gun on my yard. What I tell like gun at home, bro? I mean, I tell you, need me solar unit in a country like this. You see them massive, look. See how some car in a distance, I just a car light alone, you see, and traffic. Aisha Road that? Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Portmore City.
Portmore City.
Them ask me where me come from, me say Portmore. Yeah, Grace, how kind of smoke that out for an event them with the light them with a change make it pretty. Oh yeah, we not can watch one of them. Take you one of them and push out. Jump for them. Yeah, I'm not even know one more to eat now, bro G. If we can find some food. So, yeah, massive, that was a very good tour. Me actually come and stretch my leg and see the place so it actually look. Couple little flaws and thing I go on, but sure, nothing for to talk about, you see me? But yeah, I see even some breakout I go on the wall. I don't know what cause them there. See them? Some corrosion I go on, you see? Something I see through wall. Let's go. The staircase I can carry straight downstairs. Right. I wish I had stepped the elevator, but sure. Elevator. Elevator. I grung this now. Yeah, we're here. Can we go through this one? Alright, nice. That was a nice good tour. Oh, you have a rest here. So you have a restroom, them and thing, you know, you can have video restroom. A restroom, them they both right there, so. Right on the ground floor. And that was it. Yeah. How cool was that? Just to find some food, you know. I think Grace walks.
Yeah. Nice.
Grace
cool,
walk.
Easy does it.
Oh, I get to eat, you know.
Right.
Boy, walk by hungry, you know.
You don't know my style already. You don't know my
Don't I miss Chinese. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're going to see what I go on down there. So, massive big up. Thank you so much for watching Art of Love. What's the name of my plaza again?
Hungway Plaza.
Hungway. See, my boy, they know where we just give money and them orange juice and party. Say, what money, you know. Boy, me I tell you, we get chopped. So, yeah, massive big up. Thank you so much for watching. That was a vibe. Mad. Hungway Plaza, Portmore. Easy. Beautiful plaza.